While Elon Musk celebrates Tesla hitting $488, Alex Vieira just revealed how to destroy Tesla bulls and make a fortune doing it. Tesla at $488? Pure delusion. Trump hype. Meme stock madness. But here's what nobody's telling you. This engineer, who nailed XPENG's epic collapse from the 50s to $7, just dropped the anti-Musk bomb that will make Tesla fanboys cry like babies. Step 1. Buy the most hated Chinese EV stock, XPENG. The worst is over since Alex Vieira upgraded shares to strong buy for $7, buying more in 2025. He forecasts massive gains, while Americans are busy buying into the Tesla hype. Step 2. Here's the genius move: don't short Tesla directly. Musk will manipulate that. Short TSLL instead, the leveraged Tesla ETF heading to single digits, according to Alex Vieira's math. Why? Because Musk can pump Tesla with tweets, but his IQ will not allow him to manipulate complex mathematical derivatives. This trade is live right now. XPENG will move higher from here, while TSLL will crash an 80%. The setup is perfect. Make sure to express your gratitude to Alex Vieira later when Tesla bulls suffer in agony for challenging math, while you're thriving financially. Let's go. Read the insight. Act on it. Profit. Thanks for watching.